How to mirror or cast Android phone screen to Android Auto. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to mirror or cast Android phone screen to Android Auto. So if you are parked or want to enable screen mirroring for passengers, this guide walks you through how to do it using APK files and open source tools. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and just search in for AAAD, just like this APK. So you may have to head over to this official GitHub website, and from here you have to actually download and install an APK from this trusted source, that is GitHub. So once you download this APK version, you can simply click on this details to view it and simply install it. So to install it, just tap on this and click on install button over here. So during the installation, make sure to allow installation from unknown sources if prompted, and after installing the app you will be asked to grant several permissions and you have to just accept all of them to ensure mirroring function works properly. So once the app is set up, connect your Android phone to your car's Android Auto system using a USB cable if your vehicle supports wireless Android Auto and your phone is compatible. You can also connect wirelessly. After establishing a connection, launch the mirroring app from your car's display via Android Auto and your phone's screen should appear mirrored in real time. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.